Up Sun Raes, welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I want to give you guys an affordable wash day. So I know a lot of times I bring you content or combos that you have to order. Some of the products, some of my favorites, you have to order. Some of them are at least, $13 and up. And for some people that's affordable. For others it may be a little more than they want to spend. So I'm going to give you an affordable wash day where I'm trying to keep the products at least $10 or under, or as close to $10 as possible. Some products have gone up a little bit with inflation and everything else, but these are still pretty affordable products, and they're products that I've used that I like and I think work. Now, it's only a few of them. There's others that I could have told you about, but I'm just going to share these few with you today. So we're going to start out as we would a wash day. So I'm going to talk about a pre-poo first. So an affordable pre-poo that you can pick up, and I believe you can get all these things from Sally. So if you have a Sally Beauty in your area, you can definitely get these. If not, I'm pretty sure you can get most of these at your local beauty supply store. So there you go. I'm not sure about any other stores in your area, but anyway, so the African Pride Detangle and Condition Pre-shampoo. This is very affordable. You can get this at Sally's from somewhere around $5, give or take. And it's a really good pre-poo. It's slimy consistency. It has a lot of slip, and you put it in your hair and it just helps you to detangle. So if you haven't seen the consistency of it, this is it. So it's not real slimy, but it's slimy enough. And it's a good pre-poo, especially for what you pay for it. So you can stack up on these. You can get 2 of these for under $10 or somewhere around $10, and they should last you for a while. So first thing I want to show you for an affordable wash day, if you pre-poo, is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle Condition Pre-shampoo. Now that's a long name, but yeah, this is good. After you pre-poo, you want to go in and shampoo your hair. So another shampoo that is pretty good that you can also get at Sally Beauty, at least you used to be able to. This is the KeraCare Curl Essence Moisturizing Shampoo. This shampoo is really good. It's with the Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. So if you don't have any problems with coconut oil and things like that, this will be a good one. It's very moisturizing, but it also cleanses the hair. It is more on the moisturizing side. So if you have a lot of buildup, you may not want to go with this one, but this one is definitely good for people who just have regular product in their hair. It definitely will get it off without making your hair feel stripped. This one is still, I believe, under $10. I'll try to leave the prices down below in the description box if I can. But yeah, this is a nice moisturizing shampoo. If you need something just a little bit more cleansing, then another good one, in my opinion, is the Oh So Clean shampoo by Aunt Jackie's. To me, this is really good. It's a very cleansing shampoo without stripping the hair. At least it doesn't strip my hair. For some people, they may say that it does, but this is a deep moisturizing and detangling hair bath for chronically dry hair. It's enriched with shea butter and olive oil. I like it. I've had it in my stash for a while. Of course, I don't use it every wash day because I have so many products, but when I want a nice, good cleanse to the hair but don't necessarily want to clarify, then I'll pull this out because I do feel like it cleanses the hair without stripping it, and it also gives me a lot of hydration to the hair. So this is another one, and this is pretty affordable too. I don't remember what the price is of this, but I do believe it's under $10. If I'm not mistaken. So yeah, and you can pretty much find this at your local beauty supply store as well as at Sally Beauty and wherever else they sell Aunt Jackie's. You may just have to look, but this is a nice shampoo as well. Now after you shampoo, you want to deep condition. Now deep conditioning was a little bit harder because there's not a lot of shampoos that I have used or tried under $10 or around $10. But a couple that I have again is from Sally Beauty. It is the Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask. This is really good to me, and like I said, it's under $10. It doesn't have the best application as far as gliding on and things like that, but it definitely moisturizes the hair. I use it with heat, so I would suggest use it with heat with this and let it penetrate that hair, and then when you rinse it out, your hair should feel really good. So this is a good one. If you're unsure about this one, then another one that I like that you can actually pick up from Sally Beauty as yeah, I think you can get this from Sally Beauty as well, is the Eton Body Works Lavender and Aloe Anti-Breakage Deep Conditioner. This is really good too. If you can't find this one, you definitely can find another Eton Body Works Deep Conditioner from their regular Coco Shea line. That one's good too. But this one to me has a little bit more slip than that one, and it has a little bit more, well, I don't know, both of them are very moisturizing. So yeah, this is another one that I really like that you should be able to find on the ground, and I think this is maybe $10.99. I think they went up on their price a little bit, but it's still around $10, so it's not very expensive. So check out Eton Body Works if you're looking for an affordable deep conditioner. It doesn't have to be this one. They do have, like I said, the Coco Shea line deep conditioner. I forget what it's called right now, but that one is good too. So yeah, don't sleep on Eton Body Works deep conditioners. I think they have some good ones. Of course, you can find deep conditioners under $10 probably at your local grocery store. Like I said, I haven't tried those, so I really can't speak on those as much. I did try one. It seemed like it was Not Your Mother's. I think it was a Not Your Mother's that a lot of people really love. I tried it. I thought it was good. It wasn't a favorite of mine, but it definitely was good. It was the I think it's green apple or something like that. I'll try to put a picture right here so you can see it. So that's an option if you can't find either of these, and I believe it's under $10 as well. Okay, so after deep conditioners, you want to go in with a leave-in, and a good leave-in that is affordable is the Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in. It's a little bit thinner, but it definitely gives you moisture. It definitely soaks into the hair. It doesn't sit on top. So I really like this leave-in just for that fact that it actually soaks in and doesn't sit on top, and it has paired with a lot of things that I have paired it with. So this is a good one. If you feel like this is a little bit too thin for you, okay, then you can always pick up the Texture ID 3 times Moisture Cream Conditioner. So this is a multi-use conditioner. You can use this as a leave-in as well as a cold wash as well as a rinse out conditioner. So I have used this as a leave-in, and it's really good as a leave-in, and it's moisturizing. So this is an option. I believe this is under $10 at Sally's. I think it's like $9, $9.99 or something like that, and you get a lot of product. So again, you can get this and you can use this, like I said, because it's affordable and you get a lot. You can use this as your pre-poo instead of this, as well as a leave-in, as well as a co-wash if some of you co-wash. I didn't even talk about co-washes. I probably should have. But yeah, this is a good one, and I like using it as a leave-in sometimes and as a rinse out conditioner. It helps to soften the hair. It helps me to finger detangle in the shower and everything. So it's a good one in my opinion. So those are the two affordable ones that I'm trying to stay around $10 for you as far as leave-ins are concerned. And then after your leave-in, you know you want to go in with your styler. So if you're looking for an affordable gel, you guys know what's going to be on the list. It is going to be the Extreme Wet Line. You can't go wrong with this. This is a good gel for the girlies who want a long-lasting definition for at least a week. It's also good for the girlies who want a little bit fluffier or softer curls. All you have to do is put something nice and thick and moisturizing under it, and that should help soften this up. And then if it's still not soft enough, you can always scrunch out the crunch with this. Okay, it's going to give you shine to your hair, and it's affordable. You can find this at Sally's. Most drugstores sell this as well, and you can usually find this for under $10 as well. Well under $10 actually. So can't go wrong with wet line. If you don't like a wet line, there's also Eco Style that's very affordable. Any of them I like. Some have softer holds than others, so you'll look on the jar to see what hold you want. If you want a really firm hold, you'll get the level 10. If you want a lighter hold, you can get the level 8 or 5 or whatever. Just look on the jar. But if you're not looking for any of those and you want to try the African Pride Aloe Coconut Water Hydrate and Hold Curl Defining Gel, it is the gel to the pre-poo. This is really good as well. It's affordable as well. I believe this is somewhere around $6, $5 or $6. And this is, what is this? This is 15 ounces. Hold on. This is 18 ounces of gel. So it is affordable and it's under $10, and you definitely can find it at Sally Beauty as well. And I believe a lot of local, stores sell it too. So hopefully you can find this. This is one too that has a really good hold on it, in my opinion, for the price. I'm not trying to give you really good ingredients and stuff like that. These ingredients in these products aren't the worst, but they're not like all natural or anything like that in some of these products, but I'm just trying to give you affordable products. So yeah, for those girlies who want something under $10, want to be able to just go to the store and pick something up, these are some of the things that you can go and pick up off the ground. You don't necessarily have to order these products that I'm sharing with you. So yeah, here's a nice gel that if you can't find the wet line or the Eco, this is a good option. It's very comparable to those gels in my opinion. Okay guys, so that is it for the products that I want to share with you. I know I didn't share with you a cream for twist outs and things like that. There are a lot of creams that you can choose from to do a twist out. You can even use some of these leave-ins for twist outs, which is what I do sometimes. But if you are looking for a cream, African Pride, they do have a cream. I've not used it. I don't know how well it works. I know that Texture ID also has a cream, and I actually like their styling cream. I've used it under gels, but I'm not sure that I have used it for a twist out. So I do want to let you know that, but it does have hold to it and it has moisture to it. So if you're looking for a cream, when you're picking up the deep conditioner or the shampoo, go ahead and pick up the cream to this line as well. And I believe Aunt Jackie's has a cream too, which I haven't used. So yeah guys, I didn't really share with you a lot of creams because most of the creams that I use to twist, I believe, are over $10. Yeah, I believe are over $10. So, but the ones that I just mentioned to you, I think they may be under. I do have an Aunt Jackie's cream on hand, but like I said, I haven't used it. It's called the Curl La La. I think it is a twisting cream, if I'm not mistaken, and I think it's under $10. I'm not positive. So you would just need to research creams if you're a twist out girl and you like to twist out with creams. But like I said, I usually will twist out with a leave-in and be okay. A leave-in and a cream, or a leave-in and a mousse. And again, some of the mousses are a little bit over $10, I believe, so I didn't put those in here as well. So you got to decide what it is you want to twist out with. If you want a cream, kind of look at that yourself, but you can definitely get a wash day and a style with these. And worst come to worst, you can always twist with a gel. I've done it. It has worked for me. You can try it to see if it works for you. I don't have a problem twisting with gels. As long as I have my hair moisturized underneath, they work out great. So yeah, there you go. Guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did. If you want to see more videos for affordable products or products under a certain amount of money or whatever, let me know. I'll try to do more of those for you. Also, just want to let you know real quick, if you're interested, this hair is a wash and go using the main Crush Curltini. I did not show it on my channel. You guys have seen me use the Curltini before. They're no longer in business, so there you go. But I did use the Curltini for this wash and go in case you're interested. And then my face, use the LYS foundation. I'm really loving this foundation right now. On my eyes, I use this Aromas eye palette. I think I picked this up off of Amazon years ago. So here are the colors in it. So I used it on my eyes. On my cheeks, I used a new matte color that I believe I showed y'all around Black Friday. This is the color. It is the color Melba. So yeah, to the naked eye it looks okay. I don't know how it looks on camera, but it looks okay. And then for my lip combo, I just used the NYX or NYX lip liner in Urban Cafe, and in the middle of my lips I used this Milani liquid lipstick in the color Enchanting number 10. So I put that on just in the middle. So, and then I use the Sephora Love the Lift mascara, just trying to get rid of it. It's not a favorite, it's okay. So that is my look for today, in case you're wondering. But anyway, yeah guys, that's it. Let me know. I'll try to link all this stuff below too, just in case you're interested. But let me know how, like I said, how you feel about this type of video. Was it helpful? Was it not helpful? Leave it in the comment section below. As I come across more affordable products, I'll bring them to you. Like I said, I'm sure there's more, and I'll probably use more. I just can't think of them right offhand because I'm looking at my stash, and most of my stash is stuff that I've had to order or that I know is over $10. But that doesn't mean that I haven't, you know, use some other products. I was just showing you the ones that I had in my stash right now that I could kind of show you on camera that you can get, use, and have a great wash day. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.